What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chandler Man Chandler. That's me. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of fishing. So I got this fishing rod right here. But I have no bait. So we're going to have to go find some worms. Let's hop on the Ranger and go find some worms. I got a spot that I'll go check every once in a while because I'll always get some good worms by it. Just about there. All right, let's come on over here. Nothing yet, but maybe one later. Nothing. We better hurry up and find something. We're gonna run out of daylight. I don't see any worms, but I see some like leeches. It looks like if I was a fish, I would eat a leech. Oh, worm! There's two worms. Oh, three worms. We ain't got a whole lot of time. I see three worms work. I ain't worried about it too much. We probably won't catch anything anyways, but well, at least we found three worms. They're not too big, not too small. I'm bass fishing because I'm gonna catch them. Well, I'll catch back with y'all when we're up at the pond. My uncle's gonna come over here. Boy, if I had a big old worm, I'd have one. Just need me some worms from Walmart, from the fishing one that are like this big and that long, and like they're big wide. I mean, they're massive. Let's go over here to my uncle to look for some worms with him. Here you go, stick them in this. Oh yeah. Right there. There's one.
Find another?
Yep, but I got away. I want to catch a bass. But if I could catch a catfish, which I won't, but if I could, that would be awesome. All right. I'll get this. I'll start off with this little guy. This one right here. There you go. Right here she is. I'm gonna go for this spot again. Give this spot another chance. That's where I had that little nibble. Now it's just a waiting game.
How much is hanging underneath that bobber?
Not a lot.
Go over there close to it or you'll lose your worm. Hold your pole out there. Did you hit your line or did it? Something hit your line earlier.
See that bobber go down? All right, guys. Today we're gonna be fishing. Yesterday we kind of failed. Let's all go down to Doomie Walkers. We'll get a fried burger and a bottle of Steve. Bring it on down to my baby and me. All right, guys. Up at the pond. And we're using the same fishing rod we were using yesterday. Scoot on over here. Grab these worms and I will pick. I'm gonna use him. All right, where's my hook? Oh, there's my hook. Whoa, there it is. All right, bite her all up. Here's my hook. Here it is. All right, that's pretty good. Let's cast her. Oh. That's where I'd like it to be. Whoa. I set the hook on it, got away, and it took my worm. Oh no, yes. Every single worm is going to waste these little ignorant fish out here. Fish right over there, fish right over there. Casting it out. Oh, couldn't have been better. Couldn't have been better. Baby. Start reeling in a fish. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Boy, I can't even go fishing without working around. It broke. Nope, that ain't good. Why? Well, guys, epic fail. Peace. Thank y'all for watching this video, guys. I had a horrible time. I broke my grandma and grandpa's fishing rod, and that means I have to work for money and buy them a new one. And I didn't even catch a sorry doggone fish. I don't even care if it was a chub. I would have still been happier than a lark. I want to catch fish. So make sure you like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. And once again, if you have an idea for an idea for me to do a video of, make sure you comment down below. All right, I want to give a huge shout out to NWA Preppers. He has been a huge help to me. He has sent tons of subscribers my way and has really helped my channel grow. Been a huge help, and I would like to give a huge shout out to him. So see you on the next one. Peace.